Assalamu alaikum friends, this is Rashid and today I will tell you that how you can play with header and footer within your document. So firstly you can see that on that place you just need to double click. When you double click that place is concerned with the header, okay, and from tabs insert, from here you can select header, right? So from here you can also select the header. From here you can also the you can see the position of the header. You can also select from here more headers from office.com, edit, remove, right? So I will just double click here and I can put header 4. You can also format that 4 star. I can decrease the size of this distribution, right? I can change the color as well. Green, red, italic. So by this I can put the header, and if I want to put footer, yes, I can put the footer. So this is the method by which I can put header and footer, right? So whenever I put header and footer, it will be available on all the pages with that document, right? And footer is also here. You can select the position, office.com, edit and remove. So this is all for this tutorial, that how you can play with the header and the footer. So thank you very much for this time. Thank you. See you.